I've got my flour ready to make my apple cake. Today we're going to make apple cake. The ingredients are 3 eggs, 2 apples, 100 grams of butter, flour and 50 grams of sugar and 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. Pour in the sugar, butter. Let's whisk this up until light and fluffy. This mixture is now light and fluffy. I've got my sieve and flour ready to sieve it. Oh, bit of a mess. Let's carry on stirring this all together. This doesn't look like cake mix, there's no... It looks too crumbly, like crumble. Well, let's finish mixing this and then add our eggs and then it will turn into yummy scrummy cake. Crack 1 egg into a small bowl first. Then, using the spoon, whisk it up. I'm going to pour a little bit in at a time. Oh, whoops! That's okay. Then mix it up. Then add the rest of the egg. I'm going to add 2 more eggs into this mixture. This looks more like cookie dough. No, it's got raw egg in. The cake mixture is now ready because it's a plopping consistency. Add 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. I like a lot of cinnamon, so I've done mine quite heaped, but you don't have to. Mix this in. Then this cake is finished. Smell this, it smells so good of cinnamon. I've forgotten the apples, the main star of the show. Let's cut up the apples and put them into my cake. Let's start peeling the apples. This might be quite tricky, so a grown-up helper might be required. I have got my apple and my knife. My knife is sharp, so be careful. Might need a grown-up helper with this. Cut the apple in half, then cut it in quarters. Now I'm going to cut out the centre of the apple very carefully, where the seeds are. This is called the core. The apples are cut up really small. Make sure you keep your fingers well away and the knife is sharp. Just chopping them up a little bit smaller like this. Keep my hand well away from the knife. Sharp. Let's pour the apples into my cake mixture and mix this up. Now this looks delicious. The cake mixture is going to go into this greased tin. Remember to put your oven on medium heat, that is 180 degrees C, or gas mark 6, for 15 minutes. And spread this cake mixture out. Looks delicious. I've got this out of the oven. I'm going to hold it down for about 10 minutes. Cut it up into bite-sized pieces. Remember, this knife is sharp. There's my finished apple cake. Enjoy this for an afternoon school snack. or in your lunchbox.